color.
Makeup.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag, but it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a pack my bag with me. I got a new purse for fall and I wanted to transfer things in there and kind of just pack it up with you guys. So that's what we're going to do today. I picked up this bag from Nordstrom. I've had this bag in the past. I think I've had 3 different colors, but this is a new color. I've never seen this one before. Maybe it's not new actually, but it's new to me. Okay, it is a beautiful deep berry color, which I feel like it's perfect for transitioning into fall. It's not like a dark winter shade and it's not super bright like summery. It's like the perfect berry for fall, so I really love it. It is from Longchamp. In case you didn't know, I'm sure you probably know and are very familiar with these bags, but I'll show you guys once you open it up. Once you open it up, this is what it looks like, and it has a zipper, which I was looking for a bag with a zipper. This is the medium size, I believe, and the color is called Dahlia, so it's really pretty. I love the color. So I'm just gonna open up the bag, and ooh, I was not expecting this to be white. I kind of wish it wasn't white, but my old one, the inside was the same material as the outside, and that actually made it very difficult to clean. Almost like when you wet it, would actually get wet, but this material seems to be very wipeable. I just wish it wasn't white because it's gonna get dirty and very quickly actually. So yeah, like mine is gonna have makeup in there for sure, but I guess is what it is, right? It has a pocket right here, so I usually keep my phone right in here and it fits perfectly. So I picked this up from Walgreens. I thought it would be perfect to store makeup in my everyday purse, and I did have a clear bag, but it's a lot bigger than this one, so I feel like it wasn't the best for an everyday. It got overwhelmingly heavy. I usually do my makeup in the car on the way to work, so this will be perfect for my everyday makeup. I also got this one in this smaller size, which I feel like will be perfect for my everyday like woman things, like everyday girl stuff. So the bag I'm going to be emptying out is this purse here. I've been using this for like probably 6 months now at work. I've had this bag for a long time, but I never really wore it on an everyday basis until probably like 6 months to a year ago. And I just feel like it was too small for certain things, where I found myself carrying 2 bags sometimes, and also like this little handle, I can't put it on my shoulder. It was just so many problems. Okay. So I do have perfume in this bag. I usually do carry perfume with me, but I think I am going to get a little Travelo because me traveling with this big thing is just not necessary. It's super heavy. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to make a trip to Ulta and pick up a little travel size perfume because this is not going to work. I have this foundation I've been using lately. It is from Bare Minerals. It is the Blemish Rescue Foundation in Medium Dark 5CN. It is a cool neutral shade, and I will do a video on this foundation for you guys because I've actually really been enjoying it. I'm going to put it in this bag. Next, I have these pills with me. These are actually painkillers. I had a stomachache or root canal or something, I don't know. I got painkillers. I rarely ever use painkillers, so whenever I get them prescribed, I always have a ton left. So I do keep these with me just in case I get a headache. So I just found this little travel size or tester of New York Nights by Bond 9. You guys, this is gonna be my new favorite perfume. It smells so good. It smells ridiculously good. I cannot tell you guys how amazing this smells. I love it. I have another liner. Keep that here. I have a memo pad. I have a lot of memo pads because I love to write down ideas and just, you know, thoughts for YouTube or just regular things and shopping lists. I just have a lot of memo pads with me, so I'm gonna just add that in here. There's so much junk in this bag, you guys. It's crazy. All right, so I have this little Listerine, which I like to keep on me just because you never know. I'm gonna put that in my emergency little kit. I have another perfume. This one is Baccarat, actually. So I did have a little Baccarat with me. So I have some more pens. I love writing in colored pens, so I have some colored pens. I have a brow pencil. I have a lipstick from Laura Mercier in the color Fierce. I really love this color. It's an everyday color, so it's perfect for work. is it here. So I'm gonna keep that in my makeup bag. And I'm gonna just put all the pens down. Now this bag is surprisingly not too full, and I think it's because, okay, these are my work keys, so I'm gonna keep those. That bag was surprisingly not that full, and it's because I recently like dug some stuff out of there, and I put them in this bag. Now this was what was in this bag before I dug it out literally like 2 days ago. I think I was going somewhere and I really had to just clean the bag out. So this is what really was in here, okay? So I have this empty case sunglasses. I have these sunglasses I usually keep in here. So I have been lazy and I just have kept all my vitamins in here in these big old bottles because I always forget to take them. So I'm gonna put those to the side because I think I'm gonna get like a pill box, like a granny, and just pop them in there because that's not gonna work. That just makes my bag super heavy. I also have these probiotics as well. Like, guys, can you imagine how heavy that little purse was with all these things in there? I have these headphones, which I barely use, but I have them with me. I have Tic Tacs because you never know, okay? I also have some scope. You guys, can you tell? Like, I am very cautious. Like, I do not want to smell bad breath. Like, I have a little poopery to go, so I'll keep that in my emergency kit. And then I have this Mercier Lip Balm. I have this Estee Lauder Glow Body Shimmer thing, which is amazing, but I don't know why that was in my bag. I have a gel liner for my eyes from ColourPop, and then I have this other Mercier lipstick in the shade Rock. It is really pretty. It's a beautiful foxy brown color. I like the makeup. So I have some receipts in here, like a random headband, a fork, and a clip, some pennies, just junk. I do also keep my Apple Earpods in here. These are perfect. I'm actually surprised I haven't lost these yet. I thought I lost them one day and I actually found them real quick. But I love these. They're perfect. I thought they were not gonna stay in my ear, but somehow they do. I don't know what kind of, you know, that is, but it works so well, and they stay in my ear, which I love, because regular Apple headphones do not stay in my ear. They fall out. I have to put them upside down. It's just a hot mess. But I guess the cord was making the problem, because without the cord, they actually stay in my ear. So for the weekend, I have been using this little purse from Rebecca Minkoff. So I'm just going to pull out a couple things from here as well. I have this little wallet that I love. This is from Kate Spade. It's a French wallet. And I love this wallet because it fits in every bag I have. Like, my regular wallet does not really fit in here comfortably. It's way too big. It takes up the whole bag. Probably even longer, actually. So I love this because it fits in every bag that I own. So I do have my Kate Spade wallet I will be keeping in here. So that's pretty much all that I'm going to keep in this bag. I do add in a couple extra things. I have a planner that I sometimes take with me, but recently I have been using Trello on my phone. So I do need to add some lotion and a baby deodorant in here, and this will be completed so I can keep fresh all day long and emergency stuff, you know what I mean? So I will pack my everyday makeup with you guys so you guys can see as I put products in this bag. Alright, so this is my makeup bag. I have my foundation, I have the lip balm and the lipstick in here. I do need to add some concealer. I'm going to add the Laura Mercier Glow Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to add in this brush. I'm going to throw in a lip liner from ColourPop. It's in the color Pitch. I'm going to throw in some concealer just because I need that in my life. I'm going to add in a bronzer. This is from Guerlain. And I'm just going to do some mascara, which I'm going to throw in the Caution mascara. I've been loving that one. For brows, I've been really loving this Benefit pencil in 4.5. It's actually my new favorite shade. So I'm going to put that in here. And lastly, for lip color, that kind of changes on a day-to-day basis. But I'm going to just add in a couple ones that I love. I'm going to use this. I'm going to throw in this Too Faced one in Nip Slip. And I'm going to throw in this one from Charlotte Tilbury as well in the color Hepburn Honey. I love gloss, so I'm going to just throw in a couple glosses. I have this Laura Mercier one in Opal. This is really nice. And I think that might be all I need. And then this Dose of Colors one, which I really like as well. And Honey I'm Home. Oh, I didn't take blush. I need blush. I need blush. I'm going to take this Flash Beauty blush in the color, the shade Glaze. So that is my entire face. That is it for my makeup. And it's going to go right in here. So the bag is a lot more organized, you guys. It is pretty packed. It's full, but it's organized. I have room for my laptop in case I want to take it with me. Some days I do. And I am excited.